This is a replication of the Renegade motor made by Faraday Research. Mike over there's got this thing going, so he told me what I needed to get and I put it together. Hopefully I got most of it right. I don't know if it's perfect yet. I don't think it is. I got a bunch of fried wires because I dropped a wire earlier, but let's see if it turns on. Let's see. If I put it in the right spots, yeah. Okay, heard that sound of a click. Trigger's working. Starts right up. This is my first pulse motor. I did the Bedini, and then now we're doing this one. It seems like it's going pretty good. I think it needs to go faster. Not an expert in these things, but I'm learning. So real quick, I think I have a dead part of my circuit. Here we go, I got this little light flashing over here. Diodes are in there, that seems to be working correctly. Why are there 3 batteries? This battery runs the motor. This one runs the trigger switch. This is the return battery right here. The part that I don't think is working is this. So, however this comes into the piezo is wrong somehow. I plug this in and nothing's gonna happen here. The motor's running, light bulb's not on by any means. So that's gonna have to get worked out. So I don't know if that part of the circuit is okay or not. And I'll just zoom in so you can take a look. Maybe somebody understood it better than I did. I have the white wire coming here from this top, which is turned this way. The other ones are slanted this way. This is the one that goes to the top this way. It goes over here to the positive, over here to the light where it breaks, and then the light breaks back into the full bridge rectifier over here. The switch just comes over here, goes over here. Not a problem on that end of it. Negative, negative, negative. That should be easy. Hopefully I got that right. I think it's in the power return. So I don't think the white wire is quite connected correctly, or it's in the wrong spot. However, being this is my first pulse motor, I'm very happy in the fact that that thing is spinning. I just spent all day building wires and everything, and then fried half of them, have to redo them. Couldn't get this thing to start. Something was wrong in the wires, and then just took some time and went through it logically. But now it starts right up and runs. Not touching it right now. I haven't hooked in the coil yet. My core is not in it. It's an open core right now. That may have some difference to do with it. Don't know. But I wasn't going to push my luck yet. I got to fix a bunch of wires first. Make sure we continue on this stage here. Then add everything else in. I'm sure Mike will be able to tell me what I'm doing wrong. Other than that, guys, look, it's up and going. Pulse motor first run, man. I'm very, very happy that it's going like this. Glad everything on the STLs turned out good. It's going to look real professional when I'm done. It just looks ugly because I fried stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.